I will be building a new off-road track, which is much bigger, much larger in size, and that does mean the old small track has to go. Goodbye, old track. Now, there's a bridge here, just like the old one. Now I started digging. Also, there was a lot of leaves here, all over the place. Now, I've got like an underground tunnel, like goes under the bridge. I'm gonna go here. That's you can come back all the way around. But now I'm starting to dig another like trail all the way down here. Go around and back. But you know, I'll come back when I finish digging the tunnel. Now I finished digging the trail. Now to add another bridge and go across it. Also, I think it's quite cool, that bridge. So we put this here. Look at it. Put it down. Side. Nice. Now we just have to admire the two bridge. Very cool. I can't wait to test it out. Now this bit, I'm gonna do something really cool here. I'll come back. Cut to next scene. Now on the other side, where there's no bridge, I found some bricks and I've made a little rocky trail which my car can go through. I'll give you a better angle on this side. And there's the rock, bricks, everything I found around my garden. So the track is done. The new addition to the track. Just car goes up there, all the way down here, goes down there. It is really fun. First is the new addition. I need a name for this, but you know, let's go. Right, please, it's come on. Oh, we've done it. Just look at that massive stick. Oh my goodness. It still works. Oh, it's off. It's off, have you done it? There's it. Right, that's it. Oh my goodness. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out.